It broke. It cracked. Yesterday, wait, hold that thought. I originally planned to do the Shishuggi band method to burn my board before sanding and oiling it, but I completely forgot and just went ahead with it. Then I was like, oh, right, so I decided to try it today, just on one side, with my mom using this propane tank. Let's see if it works, I'm not sure. I looked it up, and apparently MCT oil is flammable, so there's a chance it could catch fire. Guess we'll find out. I brought water. Ready to go. Do you want to remove the sawdust inside the holes? Yes, how do I do that? Let's blast it. That's the sap. The sap hardened. These are my dog's paw prints. If I don't remove the sap before it hardens, it will be harder to sand. I have to get rid of as much as possible. But shit, the wood warped. Shit, it's really warped. If the wood is only an inch thick, it usually warps, especially since it's face grain. End grain warps less because it's made from smaller pieces glued together. I'm just experimenting. Yeah, it warped. I'm going to try sanding it again. Okay, it's smooth. I moved it to a clean table since the other one's dirty. Now I'm adding MCT oil again. Maybe if I soak it, I can bend it back into shape. I don't know. The oil got absorbed. It's so dark. It's too dark. I should have burned it a lot less. One side absorbed the oil better than the other. I'm going to try to put heavy rocks on it to flatten it. It's a little less warped now. The oil helped. Oh, shit. I'm stupid. No! Honestly, my brain is so small. I'm so stupid. Well, shit. I put 3 heavy rocks on it. I switched them out for heavier ones from over there. And the board cracked. Now I have to start all over again.
What'd you do?
It broke!
You got... This is for the fish, or the vegetables and fruit, and this is for the meat. You just gotta sand it down.
It's pretty though. It just needs some sanding.
Yeah, be careful. There you got 2.
Should I buy another one and start over, or just use this one? I'm kinda disappointed because I really like this part. But I think it would be perfect for drink flights. You can place different drinks on it and taste each one. Make some holes to hold the cups. My partner had a good idea. We could use it to serve fish and eat straight off of it. I'll keep it, just needs sanding. It's too dark. I'll definitely improve next time. I'm not sure if I should buy another one and start over, or use this one. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Love you all.